Okay, now this is a value and unit question. Now for value and unit questions, there's only one very simple method that I use. It's called you have to multiply the value with units. So I will just use this question as an example. So a baker used 4 types of flour to bake some cookies. Each packet of flour A, B, C, D had a mass of, yeah, so they have a mass of this, right? So that's actually the value. Alright, let's just write the table value. Okay, so I have A, B, C, and D. Right, so the value, first one is 150 gram. Then the other one is 250 gram. Next one is 300 grams. And the other one is 400 grams. Right, now next information I have is the units. Okay, so what's the units? I'll just write here. So the first one is 6U. Second one is 5U, 3U, and 1U. Now the first thing you need to do is every time we identify value and units, right, you have to find VU. What's the meaning of VU? That means you take value times the unit. Okay, you just multiply. What do you mean by that? So you take 150 times 6. So 150 times 6 gives you 900. Then 250 times 5, 1250. Next one 900, and this is 400. Okay, now these are all VU. These are all VU. Now what's the significance of this? If you add all of them together, that means if you plus all of them, plus, which will give us, hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Yeah. Okay, my earpod suddenly went out of battery. Okay, never mind, I can still hear you. Okay, so if I take 900 plus 1250 plus 900 plus 400, I get a total of 3,450. Right, so this 3450 is VU. Now what is this 3450? This 3450 actually represents this 20.7 kilogram. 20.7 kg. So what is 1 VU? I take 20.7 kilogram divided by 3450. So 20.7 kilogram I can convert to grams, which should give me 20700 grams. Right, so divided by 3450 is 6. 6 grams. So 1 VU represents 6 grams. Now if 1 VU represents 6, I can see that here I have 900 VU, right? So how many grams in total? 900 times 6, right? I get 540, yeah, grams. Then 1250 times 6, 7,500. The same thing, 0 grams. Okay, and this is 2,400. Okay, the significance of this once again is the total mass of A. This is the total mass of B, and this is the total mass of C and total mass of D. So the question is how many packets were used altogether. So to find that, I have to find out like how many, because each A, right, is 150 grams. That means I have 400 grams of A. To find the number of packet, I have to take 4 divided by 150, which will give me certain number. So a bit tedious, like accounting and that. So that's like 36. Alright, next is 7,500 divided by 250. Oops. Is 30, right? So here is 30, and the other one 400 divided by 18, and the last one, which I cannot see. Okay, it's 6. Okay, so the question is how many of them are there altogether? Just add all. So it's 36 plus 30 plus 18 plus 6. That's it. Okay, so the trick for value and units is you just have to multiply the value and units, and you want to find this VU, right? I call it VU. So the total VU will be equal to the total mass. That's the idea. Okay. Yeah, so this is value and units, right? So I have one question here you can go and try, but I will also post additional questions. Okay, so just some homework, you can go and try these 6 speed questions, and also try this. So maybe I will once I posted the value and units, I'll let you know. Okay, can any other questions so far?